Hi everyone! Today I brought an emoji squishy book that instantly makes... Shall we open it together? I added lots of eyes, mouths, and hearts so you can mix and match to make your own emoji. Alright, now let's decorate it together. Sunglasses complete. This time it's a wink. And I'll add a little heart just for cuteness. What expression will it be this time? Take a guess. Is this crying or laughing? What kind of face is this? How about choosing your favorite expressions and creating your own emoji? Alright, let's go make the squishy book. I'll put the free template link in the description box below. Print it out and let's make it together. I'll stick the printed pieces onto adhesive sheets. You can also laminate them with clear tape if you like. The lamination turned out well. Please laminate the rest of the printed pieces as well. This time I'll laminate it with tape. Make sure to laminate both sides of the expressions. Lamination and cutting are all done. Please stick the center with double-sided tape. Leave one side open for the stuffing and tape the rest together. Please repeat the same steps. Please use tape to attach the squishies you made to the inside of the book. Please make a squishy to hold the book in place. We'll make a board to stick the emojis on. We'll stick the shapes we made using double-sided tape. It's finished! You can draw your own pictures and stick them on too. It'll be super cute. Oh right, don't forget to like and subscribe.